Good afternoon, Professor Stella and everyone. My name is Jade. I am currently an IMBA student at the National Taichung University of Education, and today I am going to present my analysis of the smartphone industry. I choose this industry because a smartphone is no longer just a physical product. It has evolved into what we call a conversion platform. It integrates a computer, camera, digital wallet, and productivity tools into a single essential entity. Personally, these are indispensable device for me, impacting both my work productivity and lifestyle. I am particularly fascinated by how giants like Apple and Samsung create lock-in effect, making it extremely difficult for us to leave their ecosystem. And furthermore, looking at the AI explosion of 2026, I want to explore if wearable or AI pins can truly challenge the smartphone dominance. Looking at the current trend, we see users holding onto phones longer, but they are willing to invest more in Pro or Ultra model for superior qualities. This is a massive demand for on-device AI, such as real-time translation and personalized assistant. This leads to step 2, the core offering. This industry doesn't just sell hardware. It solves the problem of information fragmentation. The core value is transforming a compact object into a processing hub for work, entertainment, and finance. Our typical customers are digital natives who require constant connectivity to maintain efficiency in a non-stop world. Now, let's look at the customer comparison logic. The game has shifted from technical spec to the ecosystem experience. While Apple and Samsung remain the primary pools, customers now trust them based on software smoothness and how well they connect with peripherals like watch and buff. The nature of competition here is a battle for retention. Apple thrives on a closed system for high quality, while Android brands face a constant struggle to avoid being stuck in the middle. This is a dangerous place where products are not cheap enough to win on price, yet not unique enough to attract premium customers. And it's therefore we define the industry boundary by looking at the substitutes. If smartphone doesn't exist, we would turn to tablets, AR glasses, or smartwatch. Currently, this substitute remain weak. The smartphone still acts as the central hub. However, driven by AI progress, wearables could become strong substitutes if they can solve 3 main pain points: data input, battery life, and the current heavy dependency on touch screen. And finally, my strategic diagnosis. First, entry barriers are extremely high, not just because of capital, but due to switching costs and the network effect built by Apple and Google. Second, profit potential is shifting. Profits will increasingly come from platform service like the App Store and iCloud, rather than just hardware. Lastly, regarding sustainability, we are entering a dynamic analysis phase. Companies must not only build good phones, but also respond rapidly to AI trends. If they fail to adapt, they risk outdated. Much like the traditional feature phones of the past. In conclusion, the stronger heart of this industry in 1996 like in the balance between AI innovation and human-centric ecosystem loyalties. And that is the end of my presentation. You can find the detailed report and my AI interaction log and the submitted PDF. And thank you for watching.